after reading the article and watching the video, I learned that although some scientists do twist the statistics that are brought up upon their research, it is also important that the person who's looking into the statistics know that there's certain variables that they should be aware of, like statistically significant, causation verse, and correlations. The data might be true, but to what sense and to what degree? From the article I chose, they were speaking about how scientists actually are producing these tests that aren't able to be reproduced, and if they are reproduced, they aren't bringing up the same statistics. And we learned this in statistical psychology. We learned that some scientists actually don't like the younger scientists coming in, redoing their tests, and finding out that their test was not valid and producing results that their original study/test did not bring up. With all this information that I gained from this module, it actually brought back some lessons I learned in statistical psychology. There was a couple of studies we looked into, and we had to write like our own take on those studies. And if you don't pay attention to the small little details and you just go based off the numbers, then you're going to get completely thrown off. This was done in my class. An example was done with a lot of the weight pills and weight diets. You see the big number that 50% of people lost this amount of weight, but you don't look into what variables added into that, or how many months and things like that. So in all, you learn that not just as a scientist that they're doing wrong, but as a viewer, or the viewer is doing wrong as well, because we're not taking into consideration the smaller details. We're people who want results very quickly, want answers very quickly, and instead of taking our time and looking into those results and answers, we kind of just jump to the conclusion, and that can hurt us ultimately, because the article I read actually said that the mistakes the scientists are making are being paid by the people who are viewing the statistics, and that speaks volumes, and you kind of don't know what to believe. So it's our responsibility to look more into that instead of just believing what's being told to us. Thank you.